Found yourself in a last-minute moving crunch in Baltimore? Let's dive into how to find reliable, affordable, and trustworthy last-minute movers in Baltimore. Sometimes life happens, and your moving plans change unexpectedly. Here's why you shouldn't panic and how to find the best help for your urgent move. Last-minute moving companies specialize in quick response times and efficient service, so you can still relocate with confidence without compromising on quality or reliability. When looking for last-minute movers, it's essential to act quickly and smartly. Here's how you can find a reliable company when time is tight. First, look for local movers in Baltimore that have great reviews and ratings. It's always better to go with a company that has experience and a reputation for handling quick moves. Be sure to check licensing and insurance to ensure you're working with a legitimate, professional service. Cost is a big consideration, especially for last-minute moves. Even when you're in a rush, you still want to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. Always compare multiple quotes to make sure you're getting the best price. Be wary of companies offering cheap quotes without a proper in-home survey. A visual assessment helps movers provide accurate estimates and ensures you won't face hidden fees later on. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your move from Baltimore.